Hey y'all, I got this really cool bottle. Need to make some wine to put in. Let's make some Ghetto Grape. Welch's grape juice. Pour a little bit out. That's enough. Gravity reading of Welch's grape juice is 1.060. So you want some head space, so leave that empty. Drink that. We're going to use some EC 1118. Pour it in there, right? Shake it up. Put your bung in there. Put your airlock in the bung. Put some water in the airlock. About a week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll have wine. That's not why I'm calling it Ghetto Grape. Either way, we'll come back to you in a couple weeks when this Welch's is done and this yeast is done eating that sugar turning into alcohol. All right, it stopped bubbling, so that's telling me the fermentation's about done. Let's clean it up by transferring it from this jug into this jug with this siphon. Sanitize both these things really good with Star Sands. See you in a couple days. All right, it's been a couple more days. We're going to add some potassium sorbate. Get about half a teaspoon. That should do her. Shake it up. Get that sorbate in there. Now this is what makes it Ghetto Grape. I'm gonna back sweeten it with some more grape juice. I love Welch's. Just be careful. Just a little bit. Make it good and grapey. You know what I mean? All right. Now I'm gonna clarify it. Use some dual fine clarifier. Shake that in there. About an hour, I'm going to add the step 2 to that. I'm going to add the second part to this. Let it sit a couple days. It should be good and clear. We'll take everything off top, and I'll show you me bottling it. Move our wine into our next container, or bottle it. Whatever you want to do. All right, our wine's finished. And it's pretty. Little trick. Let's take one of these little oak spirals that you make whiskey with. And just take a little tiny piece. Put it in there. Let it sit a couple days. give it a little oaky, like it's been aged on a barrel. Look, I broke my lid the other day. I had to epoxy it. I'm gonna paint it so it's pretty, but dropped my glass lid and broke it. But man, this bottle is cool. I was sad when I dropped my lid. But the longer you let that oak sit in there, the more oaky it'll get. Look, I got this from the Goodwill too. It still has a sticker on it. Ghetto Grape. Oh man, that's the best wine I ever had. I'm just kidding, it's not the best, but it's pretty damn good for some Ghetto Grape. Welch's grape juice. You want it sweeter, add more grape juice. It'll take more to get you buzzed, but you know, around here we're gonna drink some moonshine anyways. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.